Setting up HubSpot CRM involves several steps to effectively manage your customer relationships. Sign up and log in. Go to the HubSpot website and sign up for an account. Once signed up, log in to access your HubSpot CRM dashboard. Customize your dashboard. Customize your dashboard to display the metrics and data that are most relevant to your business. Arrange widgets to track deals, contacts, tasks, and more. Import contacts and companies. Import your existing contacts and company data into HubSpot CRM. You can upload a CSV file or connect directly with other tools like Gmail, Outlook, or Salesforce. Set up your pipeline. Define your sales pipeline stages in HubSpot CRM to match your sales process. Customize stages such as prospect, qualified lead, proposal sent, negotiation, and closed won. Create and manage deals. Add deals to your pipeline manually or import them from your CSV file. Track deal progress, add associated contacts and companies, set deal values, and assign tasks. Integrate email and calendar. Integrate your email and calendar with HubSpot CRM to track email communications, schedule meetings, and automate follow-ups. Automate workflows. Set up workflows to automate repetitive tasks, such as sending follow-up emails or assigning tasks based on deal stage changes. Generate reports and insights. Use HubSpot's reporting tools to gain insights into your sales performance, track key metrics, and forecast revenue. Mobile access. Download the HubSpot mobile app for iOS or Android to manage your CRM on the go. Access contacts, deals, and tasks from anywhere. Training and support. Utilize HubSpot's resources, including tutorials, webinars, and customer support, to learn more about using the CRM effectively and troubleshoot any issues.